Welcome to Stone City, and we hope you enjoy your sauna. When you're coming from the driveway, go past the porch on the house, across the yard, and between the house and the street. Then cross over the new little bridge I built, and then you'll come to the sauna where there's some rocks, so just be careful. And then there's the hamper to put your laundry, some lighting, and be sure to turn the lighting off when you're done so the batteries don't get drained. Then when you enter, you'll see the stove and the benches and bags that have your towels and robes in it. So then please remove your shoes and make sure your feet are clean. There's wood, the hardwood on the porch for burning. Again, take your shoes off. And then there is the water for putting into the bucket on the stove. There's a thermometer and a timer over at the window. And when you lift open the bottom seat, you will see that there's a fire extinguisher and more materials for starting a fire. Put plenty of paper on the bottom and then add the smaller pieces for kindling and slightly larger pieces to really catch a burn. Light it. And then close the door and open up the air. If you leave the door open, don't leave the side of the stove. This is what it should look like once it's really starting to burn. Close the door fully and make sure that the air is open. If you want to do a cold plunge, you can clean out that tub and then go fill it full of water. It's over at the house. Turn it to the left to turn it on. And turn it to the right to turn it off. I suggest filling up the tub while you're starting the fire and heating up the sauna. And always be sure to turn the water off. When you're done with the sauna, be sure to close the door to the wood stove, latch it, and close the air intake. Never take out any coals or ashes or put any water onto the coals to put it out. Please be sure to read all the rules and be safe and enjoy your sauna.